So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And who are you?
My name is Jemina Romppanen. I am teacher student.
Okay, and you've been doing your orientation practice in the teacher training school of the University of Eastern Finland.
Yes.
Long term. And the last week of practice is going on.
Yes.
All right, today we had a workshop with Matatalab's coding sets, robot sets. How did you like using them?
It was interesting. I haven't done anything like that before, so it was fun. At first I didn't know really what to do, but then it cleared up.
Yeah, and you were very quick to get the basic concept and such, like you understood them very quickly. What do you think helped you in that?
I think the instructions that were in there, and then friends, they like...
All right, so you worked in groups and saw that, okay.
Yes, we helped each other.
All right, very nice. Do you think you have been practicing in first grade? I think 1C.
Yes.
What do you think when we are taking the sets with Tina to the class? Will they be a success in Tina's class?
I think yes, they will be very excited and they like to help others, so I think it will be good.
All right. So thank you for this.
Thank you.
And enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. Hyvä.